Haere mai, haere mai, haere mai. Haere mai ki te Māhurehure. Haere mai ki tō koutou whānau. E pupuri nei i te ahi kā ki roto o tāmaki makaure. Haere mai hoki mai ki roto i tō whānau. Me ngā puke ngā rau kei runga i ākoe. E mohi ona tāua o tira tātou ko te mahi e whai nā koe. Harai te mea māma. Engari kua whakarite hia e o rahi i tō kiri mo te pakana. No reira kia kaha rā koe. Kia kaha rā koe me te mahi nui kei mui a koe. Hei paenga mo tō whānau e na hone.
The powhiri was for Roopu becoming the CEO for the new Whanau Ora commissioning agency, Rangitāmiro. My connection to Grace Foundation was my partner was a resident of Grace Foundation. He was with Grace for about 8 months and became a team leader with them. Miraculously turned his life around without, being biased about it. I saw the mahi that my nephew Tuck, how it helped him while he was part of Grace Foundation, and then my partner too also came through Grace Foundation. When this opportunity came of my sister becoming, the CEO for Whanau Ora, I thought, right, we're coming. I invited them to the powhiri just so they could be a part of it, and and I said if they'd like to haka when she was handed over. And
there was like 200 people, and everyone was just in awe and just, in the moment. And it was just really special. These men, you can see that they're just pouring it out, all the goodness that they've had in this place, and you could feel it. It wasn't something just to watch, you felt it, and it moved the whole room. Today was just another level. I was really trying to hold back the tears because it was so moving.
My whānau have been fortunate to work with. They've helped my whānau. So the Grace Foundation to me returns the aroha and that ngākau for their whānau. The kaupapa that the organisation holds is real and it's first-hand, and so you look at the organisation, they're working with whānau, accepting whānau and being respectful to all those people that come through the door. But the one thing I like is Grace is the place that has an open door. It never closes. So I'm aware of that. It was demonstrated today.
I was in and out of jail from 2006. I think the only time that I've stayed free was 18 months, all the way till now. So I'm pretty proud of myself. I came here to gain knowledge and wisdom to better myself as a better partner, a better father, and a better brother, and a better son.
My life has been so much different since I've come to Grace Foundation. I've gained so many tools, I've gained so many whānau, so many friends.
I want to thank all of those who stood up and really shared their raw story and real story. How do you talk real to the realists? And that's what I think I experienced here this morning. For us, when you think about Whanau Ora, those words, you think legacy and movement. Legacy isn't confined to the pretty and the fluffy. And from what the work Grace Foundation are doing, it is very much the legacy and it is the movement.
No one's better than anyone else, and we want people to understand that is our kaupapa and leadership. And we're not here to tell anyone how to live their lives. But what we do want to do is manaaki and tautoko and try our best at what we can do to support.
We've gone almost 2 decades now, and we've come this far, and we've never actually sought the kind of help that we need. We've just continued to move forward, and our prayer and hope has always been if we move forward, God will take care of the rest. And it's exactly what's happening.
Great organisations doing great work. Not that they rely on being seen and being funded. They're going to do the mahi anyway. And that's the beauty. That's how you can kind of differentiate. And so it's a bit of pauri that hasn't been. But I don't think they want pauri. They just want tautoko. This is our approach. What are the gaps and how do we not let that happen for another 18 years? And boy, when you see a room full of real voices, it's a bit hoha with the system. But that's all right, that's why we get glued up and we be the advocates inside. I heard today it's not a handout, it's a hand up.